Facebook is suspending Donald Trump's account for 2 years, the company has announced in a highly anticipated decision that follows months of debate over the former president's future on social media. Given the gravity of the circumstances that led to Trump's suspension, we believe these actions constituted a severe violation of our rules which merit the highest penalty available under the new enforcement protocols. We are suspending his account for 2 years effective from the date of initial suspension on January 7th this year, Nick Clegg, who is Facebook's Vice President of Global Affairs, said in a statement on Friday. At the end of the suspension period, Facebook said it would work with experts to assess the risk to public safety posed by reinstating Trump's account. We will evaluate external factors including instances of violence, restrictions on peaceful assembly, and other markers of civil unrest, Clegg wrote. He further said that if we determine that there is still a serious risk to public safety, we will extend the restriction for a set period of time and continue to re-evaluate until that risk has receded. He added that once the suspension was lifted, a strict set of rapidly escalating sanctions would be triggered if Trump violated Facebook policies. Friday's decision comes just weeks after input from Facebook Oversight Board, an independent advisory committee of academics, media figures, and former politicians who recommended in early May that Trump's account not be reinstated. However, the Oversight Board punted the ultimate decision on Trump's fate back to Facebook itself, giving the company 6 months to make final call. The board said that Facebook's indeterminate and standard-less penalty of indefinite suspension for Trump was not appropriate, criticism that Clegg wrote the company absolutely accepts. The new policy allows for escalating penalties of suspensions for 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and 2 years. The former president has been suspended since January following the deadly Capitol attack that saw a mob of Trump supporters storm Congress in an attempt to overturn the 2020 presidential election. The company suspended Trump's Facebook and Instagram accounts over posts in which he appeared to praise the actions of rioters, saying that his actions posed too great a risk to remain on the platform. Following the Capitol riot, Trump was suspended from several major tech platforms including Twitter, YouTube, and Snapchat. Twitter has since made its ban permanent. The former president called Facebook's decision an insult to the record-setting 75 million people plus many others who voted for us in the 2020 rigged presidential election in a statement. He further said that they should not be allowed to get away with this censoring and silencing, and ultimately we will win. Trump received fewer than 75 million votes in the 2020 election, which he lost. He also hinted at a 2024 run earlier this year. Facebook also announced that it would revoke its policy of treating speech by politicians as inherently newsworthy and exempt from enforcement of its content rules that ban, among other things, hate speech. The decision marks a major reversal of a set of policies that Clegg and Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg once championed as crucial to democracy and free speech. Facebook's move to freeze former US President Donald Trump's account could have a ripple effect for the special treatment that the site usually affords to politicians' speech world over. When Facebook and other social media platforms had announced their decision to deplatform Trump, a number of world leaders, including German Chancellor Angela Merkel, had voiced their opposition to the ban, arguing that only lawmakers should decide on the rules governing free speech. Facebook's new shift in policy could strip away some of the leeway political leaders are given to express their views on the platform. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
पता है इन सब लोगों में एक चीज कॉमन है, गैस करिए क्या? नहीं पता? चलिए एक हिंट देती हूँ, ये सब आपके परिवार से जुड़े हैं। अरे फिर भी नहीं पहचाना आपने इन्हें? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, वैसे भी ये लोग पर्दे के पीछे ही तो काम करते थे। इन सब की डेथ हो गई है कोविड से, ताकि आप और आपका परिवार सेफ रह सके। और यही तो है परिवार का मतलब, अपनों की रक्षा करना। जो हमारे लिए जान दे सकते हैं वो अपने सगे नहीं तो फिर कौन है? मुंबई पुलिस।